Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blurry on the application of Suno UV good settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Suno app and you will click in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.